Happy birthday, Usena. How are you, beta? God bless you. And all the best for the whole year. We all love you. Me and your mummy both, we love you.
Hi Usi, how are you? Happy birthday dear. Usi, you are not only my sweet sister-in-law, you are my best friend too and my support system. Take care. Love you darling. Enjoy your day.
Hi Usena, happy birthday. You are not only my sister, you are my daughter. I wish we should bring those days back when we were living together in one house and fighting over a cup of Falida. Love you dear. Have a blast.
Hi Usena, happiest birthday to you.
We love you.
We love you.
May all your wishes come true. You are the strength of our family. God bless you.
Same, तस्से में तुम्हारा भी ये बच्चे.
Happy birthday, Sifaiji. I hope you have a great day, happy and healthy life, and may you always be smiling. Thanks for always being there for us, and you have always been someone I admire, I idolize, and there are not enough words to express gratitude and all that you've done for me. Thank you for always being there. We all love you, my kids love you, and I miss you, and unfortunately we're not there. I'm not there to celebrate it with you, but not physically by heart, but we are always united. And thank you for everything. You have been the biggest and the best support for me in every way. Thank you.
Sifaiji,
You are the most coolest person and thank you for always supporting me.
we hope that you have a wonderful day and a great year ahead. We hope all your wishes come true. We love you.
Happy birthday, Usena Faiji.
We love you.
We love you the most.
God bless you.
God bless you.
You are our inspiration. We always strive to be just like you.
And thank you for being a great mother to me up till now.
And in the future.
Sure.
We go to Australia together. Yeah.
birthday, Usena.
Happy birthday Usena. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Usena auntie. Have a great year ahead. Happy birthday, Usena auntie. Have a nice day.
હેલો હુસેના હેપી બર્થડે હુસેના તારું હેપી બર્થડે છે તને ઘણી ઘણી મુબારક થાય અને તારું વરસ ઘણું ફાઇન જાય અને તું મારા ઘણા દિલના કરીબ છે તું ઘણી કેરિંગ એન્ડ લવિંગ છે જેમ ફરીદા ખ્યાલ રાખે છે એમ તું બી મારો ખ્યાલ રાખે છે પાછું તને કહું છું હેપી બર્થડે.
Happy birthday Hussaina. Have a splendid day.
Happy birthday, Husi Kaki. I hope you have a wonderful birthday party.
Hi Kaki, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a very nice day and with lots of surprises ahead for you.
Happy birthday, Kaki. Have a great day. And hope you have a lot of fun. You're getting older, but you look younger than your daughters, especially your cheeks. I hope there are more opportunities to pull them very soon. Have fun. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kaki. Hope you have a great one. We love you. Thank you for being the amazing person that you are.
Thank you for being there always for me as a friend, as a mother, as just like a guidance through everything. And we can't wait for you to be here with our little one now. We love you.
Bye.
Usena auntie, you're a lady with a golden heart.
And you're the best.
May you have an amazing day and have more such birthdays.
Lots
we miss
of
you.
wishes from us, all of us.
Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hussain auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Lots and lots of good wishes to the most amazing human being.
Happy birthday. Hello. Happy Corona birthday. Do not party. Stay home. Stay safe.
Hello, hi Bobby. Wish you a very, very hearty happy birthday. I know you are most imperative to all of us. We cannot live without you. May you enjoy the birthday and a good year ahead.
Hi Hussain auntie, happy, very 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 happy birthday to you. Wish you all the love. Love you.
Hi Hussaina, the most awesome, loveliest person in the world that I know. The world is so much of a better place because you are in it. Keep being the amazing person you are and wish you not only today but your whole life the best life. Love you loads.
Come on Batul, do you have anything to say?
Happy birthday, Auntie. Love you.
Hey Hussi, happy birthday dear. Many happy returns of the day. Here's wishing you a great year and a great day ahead. Loads of blessings from us. અને મેં નમાઝ પઢવા જઈ રહી છું ને તારા વાસ્તે ઘણી દુઆ કરીશ. તને હંમેશા પરવરદિગાર ઘણા ખુશ રાખે. And you know what? I'm so thankful to Farida and Fakri that I got to know you. You're the most wonderful, humble, loving person I've ever come across. Loads of love and loads of blessings to you. પરવરદિગાર હંમેશા તને ખુશ રાખે. બીજું શું તારા વાસ્તે દુઆ કરું? બસ મેં હંમેશા તારા બચ્ચાઓ વાસ્તે, જુઝર વાસ્તે, બધા વાસ્તે દુઆ કરું છું ને હમણાં બી દુઆ કરીશ. So that's the best gift I can ever give you. Love you so much.
Happy birthday. We made a little card for you as well. Hope we could be with you in person on this special day. But all our good wishes and enjoy the best day.
Happy birthday, dear Hussaina. Wish you all the happiness, good health forever, for years to come. Take care. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday. Hi Hussaina, happy birthday. Have a great day.
Hi Hussaina, happy birthday. Wish you had a great day and wishing you the best for years to come.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a good day. We love you and we miss you.
Hi Hussaina auntie, I wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for always being there, always being like a second mother to me. Love you so much.
Hi mom, happy birthday. I love you so much and I just wanted you to know that all the good and the best parts of me are you and all because of you only. I'll always be your little girl and I hope you have an amazing day. I love you so much. Happy birthday mom. I love you and I am so proud of you and I can't thank you for everything that you've done for me. And I just want to say that the thing that makes me most happy is the person you are, and being you or trying to be like you is tough, but I hope I can be that person. And I love it when people call me your carbon copy. So I hope you have a great day. I hope it's special just like you are.
Hi Hussi auntie, happy birthday. You are not Hussi auntie but Hussi Ma for me because you have been a mother figure my whole life. You have always supported me, always understood me, always been there for me. You've just pampered me so much and I'm so grateful to have you, so blessed to have you. I hope we can make your birthday special, although we can't go out and celebrate. I hope we can do something special and enjoy your day, celebrate you because you are one in a million, and I love you so much. Happy birthday. Have an amazing day.
Happy birthday, Mom. I love you, and even though we fight a lot, I think in the end you always forgive me because I'm your firstborn and your favorite. I think, and I know that. And thank you for always being my biggest supporter all these years. And I love you, and have a nice day.
Dearest Susanna, happy birthday, and you know your football friend is going to be birthday. I love you, I love you, I love you. I can't say more than that. You mean the world to me. I don't even need to say all this. I just love you. Happy birthday.
Wish a very, very happy birthday to my wife and my partner in all my crimes.